Anyways, devolume. Now that we've gotten the daddy long legs out of the way. What was that thing called? Harvestman?
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever. All right, so we have our picture of our devolume, and we want to draw change in volume, right? Okay, so
Theta's in XY.
yeah, theta's an XY thing, right? So it's only a horizontal change. Phi is this off vertical change, and rho is this in-out change.
Now is this the sort of flashlight looking cone sort of thingy?
Mm-hmm.
Is it laying on the XY plane right now? Okay.
Yeah, this thing's up above the XY plane, and I know it's up above the XY plane because there's a phi that's kind of non-trivial in it, right? Cool with that? So this is just kind of chilling up in the first quadrant. There's a little slice of melon in the air. Now we know the melon is delta rho in depth, right? And now we need to straighten out this other two sides. So this side should be relatively easy. That should be rho change in phi. You guys all see that?
Yeah.
Really, I'm ballparking, right? But for the same reason that it's yeah. Yeah, this is the exact same reason we had r change in theta, right? We just kind of smash this onto a plane, and then we know something about arcs and planes. Cool. The other one's harder because that's a horizontal angle change I'm talking about. And it's not rho in length, right?
No, it's
So let me highlight that triangle and see if I can pull it off of here.
rho angle phi.
So that blue triangle, right, it's got an angle phi. And then there's my change in phi happening down here. You guys see that?
Oh, okay.
How long is this side?
Approximately.
Nice. That should be rho, right? You guys see that? Yeah.
I'm sorry, what does rho represent again?
It's just a radius.
Okay.
So this is a three-dimensional radius as opposed to the r, which is two-dimensional radius, right?
So we have rho sine of phi.
Okay, nice. So this radius, right, the one I'm talking about for change in theta is rho sine of phi.
It's just getting more and more.
You see that? But this is the last side, right? So this side here is rho sine phi change in theta. Perfect. You see that? So I've got three sides of this little melon thing, right? And I'm assuming that this little melon is roughly a cube. So the change in volume is about, what do you get when you multiply these together?
Rho squared sine phi delta theta delta.
Rho squared sine phi delta theta delta phi delta rho, right?
That's
He's all the way up.
yeah, he's way.
You guys are all watching Squirrel. Okay, so I'll know why the spherical question
like
went
right
badly.
there.
All right, so here's your conversion factor, right? The punchline of this thing is that d volume is what? That thing.
Yeah.
Rho squared sine phi.
D theta, D theta, D theta.
D theta, d phi, d rho. Perfect. Cool.